welcome back to the channel. Today I'm eating octopus and my mom is just chopped it up. As you can see, there's a lot of seafood in there. There's squid, crab, octopus, missiles, like little shells, you know, and then also shrimps. And yeah, it looks pretty glorious. Ooh, look at that. That is octopus leg right there. Right there. Oh my. Why am I eating this? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this to myself? Ooh. Ooh, listen to that. Ooh. 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 Cajun. Mmm. 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 Listen to that. Ooh. 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 So good. That is squid right there. I mean octopus. Oh, yeah. So guys, today's challenge for me is just eating a little bit of all of it. Like Pete the Cat said, a little bit of all of it. So, we have the plate and we're going to put one on each end. And we're going to try them. If they're good, I'm going to eat more. Look at that flame. Looks lethal. Lethal flame. It's looking better and better every second. Look at that. It's just, it's so good. So excited to eat octopus. I never eat octopus in my whole life. I never ate octopus in my whole life. To be precisely, it is officially done. Okay, put a little in. Fits on there? Is there everything in there? I'm eating it now, guys. I've never eaten I don't know how it's... You guys, let me just flip the camera real quick. Don't die on me, don't die on me. There, guys. Hopefully you can see me well. So we got all of our food. Oh, it's almost dripping. So we're starting with this white thing. I don't really know what it is. So let's eat it. Oh, it's really chewy. Mmm. Tastes like shrimp. Mmm. 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 It's very very chewy, almost like a gum. Well, I'll get you notified when I'm done with chewing this. Okay, guys, let's continue with the next thing, which is shrimp. So we got shrimp. Okay, let's eat it. I recognize that taste. Let's have another one. Wow. Another one. And another one. That's good. That's really good. I'm telling you when I'm done. Okay, guys, we are eating these missiles next. Oh yeah. Whole thing. Dang, that's good. That's very good. Now for the grand finale, the squid. Guys, I have to do this really fast because my video is gonna end anytime now. This one. Okay, that's as hard as stone. That's literally as hard as stone. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please